One more dynamite. So nice. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Hit the button now. I remember this time, 2013 June, right? Look at the fresh looking. So hip hop that time because they are real hip hop group with different members. Oh, you don't know about this story? Please keep watching the video till end. BTS hit the Billboard chart #1 with the song Dynamite. So I decided to make one of their favorite food with dynamite. Let me search. Baskin Robbins? Oh, I can make this food with dynamite. So today's food is tteokbokki. We need rice cake, boiled egg, spring onion, gochugaru, ketchup, soy sauce, onion, cabbage, fish cake, gochujang, 물엿, sugar, and water. First, let's prepare vegetables. Slice onion and cabbage. And cut fish cake into the chunk or whatever shape you like. Now, prepare a pan and add water. Put ketchup, gochugaru, Korean chili powder, soy sauce, sugar, 물엿, Korean corn syrup, and gochujang, Korean chili paste. Turn on the fire and stir to mix all the ingredients for sauce. Once sauce is mixed well, put the rice cake in. Make sure all the rice cakes are covered in the water and cook about 5 minutes. Once rice cakes are start to become soft, add fish cake, onion, and spring onion. And cook until rice cakes are totally cooked and become really soft, about another 5 minutes. Now, add cabbage, then mix well. Cabbage will be cooked with remain heat. Put on the plate nicely. I prepare chopping board again and cut hard-boiled egg into half. Now, BTS's favorite food, tteokbokki, is ready. So easy, right? Now, it's time to prepare dynamite. Prepare the pan and fill with the cooking oil. I prepared gimmari, the Korean dynamite roll. 7 dynamite, just like BTS. Jung, Suga, J-Hope, V, Jin, Jimin, RM, the red monster, and fry until skin becomes golden brown. I cooked about 5 minutes. What is made of? Outside, wrapped with seaweed, and inside, filled with glass noodle and vegetables. I think dynamite roll is ready. Look at the golden brown color. Plate nicely on the side of the tteokbokki. Now food for BTS and Dynamite is ready. Enjoy! Do you want to know how to make this Korean dynamite roll? Which I'm gonna make in the future in my video. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Hit the button now. The first episode, the recipe for star, is ready! So today's star is BTS, the 방탄소년단. According to my research, tteokbokki is one of their favorite food, and then their new song name is Dynamite. So I decided to put Korean dynamite roll into the tteokbokki. The tteokbokki with gimmari looks so nice. So let's try. 잘 먹겠습니다. First, the dynamite roll. tteokbokki. Put the dynamite roll into the tteokbokki sauce. Just dip. It's a little bit spicy for me, which is nice. But you can adjust the recipe, putting less chili paste or chili powder for your taste. Cabbage is still crunchy and nice. And duck is so soft. I usually put the carrot in as well. You can put other vegetables. Another dynamite roll. A secret of their debutary. Maybe some people already know, but if you are curious, let me tell you something. So before BTS has this member line, they actually had different members with different music style. They made a proper debut in 2013, but before that, BTS started with 3 members only. RM, the rap monster, the Supreme Boy, one of the main producers of BTS, and Ion, the rap star from Show Me the Money. And rapper 11 and Suga joined the team later. Then J-Hope and Kiddo from the Top Dog also joined the team. At this time, everyone was a hip-hop rapper, making rap music or hip-hop music mainly. But Mr. Bang, who is the CEO of Big Hit and also producer of BTS, started to think like, is it real hip-hop what people really want or stylish K-pop? So he decided to make BTS as K-pop group and later replace 4 members with 4 new vocal members. Jungkook, Jimin, Jin, V. I don't know hip-hop or K-pop, which one is better. But what I can see now, this world wants K-pop from Korea. I think Mr. Bang made a really smart decision that time. So star for this episode was BTS. See you in next video with different star. Thank you. I really like the BTS and their music, and also respect to what they have done in their career as well. I truly believe that BTS deserve to win Grammy Music Award for this year.